Any doubt in this? Okay. So now if we go for van der Waal radii, it is the half of the distance between two non-bonded non-bonded atoms or molecule. Non-bonded atoms or molecule. For example, if we take inert gases, they do not form molecule. So they must be away from each other. So we take, if this is the distance, then van der Waal radii will be d by 2. Understood? Or if you have two molecules, and if this is d, then a van der Waal radii will be d by 2. Understood? Any doubt in this? What will be the order? Order of radii. Order of radii क्या होगा? Maximum will be van der Waal, then metallic, then covalent. Right? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? These are the less important things. We'll go to better one like ionic radii. Ionic radii. Cations are smaller than anions. Cations are smaller than anions. Why? Why cations are smaller than anions? Anions have extra electrons. So, due to inter-electronic repulsion, in the outermost shell, electron cloud expands. Electron cloud expands. Okay. Any doubt in this? Cations are smaller because after the loss of electron, effective nuclear charge increases. Effective nuclear charge increases. Size decreases. Understood? Any doubt in this? Okay. Among Fe3 plus, Fe2 plus, Fe plus, smallest one is Fe3 plus. Biggest anion is large anion is Mn2 plus. Mn2 plus. Okay, Edric. Cations are smaller than neutral atoms, smaller than anions. Any doubt in this? Sorry. Right on. For isoelectronic species, what do we mean by isoelectronic species? What do we mean by isoelectronic species? Same number of electrons. For isoelectronic species, size depends upon the ratio of electron by proton. Size depends upon the ratio of electron by proton. Electron by proton. Are they isoelectronic? Are they isoelectronic? Yes or no? Are they isoelectronic? Any problem to anyone in isoelectronics? Please tell. Anyone who do not know how to, which are isoelectronic, when to add electron, when to subtract electron. Do we have anyone like that also? ऐसा कोई है जिसको नहीं पता कि कब इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड करना है, कब सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? Because these things will come in the other classes also, coming chapters also. In case of anions, we have to add electrons. In case of cations, we have to remove electrons. Understood? So when you said for isoelectron species ratio of electron proton, did you mean the number of electron and the number of proton? Obviously the number of electron and number of proton. Are they isoelectronic? All of you please listen. If you do not know these things, what are isoelectronic, what is iso, how to remove electron, how to add electrons, that is not your fault. If you do not know, तो कोई बात नहीं. But if you won't ask it, then it will be your fault. आपको नहीं पता है तो कोई बात नहीं. नहीं पूछोगे तो आगे फिर प्रॉब्लम होगी. कोई किसी को जज नहीं कर रहा है. इसको नहीं आ रहा है पूछ लो. नहीं पूछोगे आगे फिर आएगा, फिर प्रॉब्लम होगी. What is isoelectronic? That's what I was asking, right? चलो पहले ये वाला कर लेते हैं. See, if we talk about sodium, Swapnali, do you know what is the atomic number of sodium? Swapnali, do you know what is the atomic number of sodium? Atomic number is 11. atomic number is equals to number of protons for any element. For any element, atomic number is equals to number of protons. For any element, atomic number is equals to number of proton. If element is neutral, if element is neutral मतलब उसपे कोई charge नहीं है, if element is neutral, then number of proton will be equals to number of electron. Any doubt till here? Kadam? Any doubt till here? ठीक है, that means सोडियम का atomic number 11 है, it has 11 proton and 11 electron. Now cations means loss of electron. Cations means a loss of electron. Cations means loss of electron. Anions mean gain of electron. Cations means loss of electrons. Anions means gain of electron. Cations में electrons minus करने हैं, anions में electrons add करने हैं. Okay. Nayani and Swapnali. For example, if we talk about fluorine, fluorine atomic number is 9. So proton is 9. As it is neutral, so electron is also 9. If we talk about F minus, matlab anion, we have to add electron. So 9 plus 1 will be 10. Okay. If we talk about oxygen, oxygen का atomic number, oxygen का atomic number 8. मतलब proton is 8, electron is also 8. If we write O2 minus, that means we have to add 2 electrons. So it will be 10 electrons. Any doubt in this? Number of protons for F minus will be 9 only. Yeah, protons never change. Ronal. Proton will never change. Because the element is same. Okay. Nayani and Swapnali. If we talk about Mg2 plus, sodium 2 plus, aluminium 3 plus. So their atomic number is 12, 11, 13. Electron, we have to remove 2. 10 electron, 10 electron, 10 electrons. So all such species which have same number of electrons are called isoelectronic. All such species which have same number of electron called isoelectronic. So these three are isoelectronic. In case of isoelectronic, we have to calculate electron by proton. इलेक्ट्रॉन बाय प्रोटॉन, तो ये हो जाएगा 10/12, ये 10/11, ये 10/13. It will be like this. Okay. Any doubt till here? What about this, which has maximum size? Maximum size, जल्दी बताओ. शेन, मंजिता, खुशी, सेजल. 18 electrons, 18 electrons, 18 electrons, 18 electrons. Atomic number 16, 15, 17, 19. 18/16, 18/15, 18/18, sorry 17, 18/19. कोमल, दीपिका. क्या कर रहे हो यार, ये तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. कोमल, दीपिका, अंडरस्टूड. एक सॉरी से 5 नंबर कट जाएंगे. थोड़ा ध्यान रखो. अंडरस्टूड नयनी, स्वप्नली, you got the answer? ओके, ट्रेंड देखते हैं. ट्रेंड, ट्रेंड फॉर साइज. क्या है ट्रेंड? टॉप टू बॉटम, size increases. Top to bottom, size increases. Left to right, size decreases. Top to bottom size increases, left to right size decreases. reason number of shell increases, number of shell increases, number of electron in same shell increases. ये रीजन हो गया. Any doubt in reason? Any doubt in reason? ठीक है. फर्स्ट ग्रुप में मैक्सिमम साइज, एक्सेप्ट फ्रेंशियम. फर्स्ट ग्रुप में मैक्सिमम साइज एक्सेप्ट फ्रेंशियम. लीना की रब से फरियाद. राइट. Among fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Any doubt to anyone in any of the trend, please let me know. This all will again come in the 4th chapter. You know all these things, you have done 11th and 12th class. इसलिए यहीं पे इसको पूछ लो, कुछ डाउट है तो. Any doubt in any of these? Any doubt in any of these? ओके, तो ये हो गया टॉप टू बॉटम. टॉप टू बॉटम. अब देखते हैं लेफ्ट टू राइट. Exceptions are also there that I'll give you at the last of this topic. Exceptions मैं आपको लास्ट में बताऊंगा. Which one is smallest? Which one is smallest? Smallest. Any doubt to anyone in this? Noble gases have maximum size in their respective periods. Noble gases have maximum size in their respective periods. Due to van der Waal radii. Due to van der Waal radii. Noble gases have maximum size in their respective periods due to van der Waal radii. Understood? ठीक है, मतलब size decreases from left to right till 17th group. Till 17th group. Till 17th group. Understood? Maximum size among neon, fluorine, and oxygen. Maximum size among neon, fluorine, and oxygen. Solve these questions. Solve these questions. Higher period elements will always have more size. मतलब third period will always be better than second period. Third period will always be better than second period, irrespective of left right. Please listen to this again. Third period will always be better than second period, irrespective of left and right. Shane. Okay, Shane. Third period will be better than second period, irrespective of left and right. First answer. Carbon, nitrogen. Phosphorus, silicon. Carbon is better than nitrogen. Silicon is better than phosphorus. But these are third period, second period. So silicon, phosphorus, carbon, nitrogen. Shane, Ria, Ronald, Manjita, Manaj, understood? Asmita, Shivangi, Edric, Nayani, Sejal. All of you understood first one? Sejal, Ria. ठीक है. Next question. Nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur. Third period, second period. Nitrogen is better than oxygen. Phosphorus is better than sulfur. What is beside S in the fourth question? Beside S in the fourth question, bromine. So phosphorus better than sulfur, better than nitrogen, better than oxygen. Any problem in second question? Ria, you are not replying. Swapnali, you are also not replying. Ronald, Hayden, Edric, please give your answers. Siddhi, सब अपने आंसर्स दो, छुपने से नहीं काम चलेगा. Third is carbon, nitrogen, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. So silicon is better than phosphorus, better than sulfur, is better than carbon, is better than nitrogen. Fourth question. Nitrogen, phosphorus, nitrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, sulfur. nitrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, sulfur. Bromine, fourth period. Sulfur and chlorine. Nitrogen and fluorine. Any doubt to anyone in this? There was some exception for nitrogen, not for size. It will come in other properties. So many exceptions are there for nitrogen, but not for the size thing. Okay. इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी में आपको मिलेगा एक्सेप्शन, कैटिनेशन में आपको एक्सेप्शन मिलेगा. फिफ्थ, F minus Na plus Mg2 plus and aluminium. Himaya. Are they isoelectronic? Himaya. F minus is not. I thought F minus is also isoelectronic. Himaya. इनके अंदर सबसे अच्छा कौन है? Fluoride better than sodium and better than Mg2 plus. Let it be an ion. I didn't say only cation can be isoelectronic. Did I say something like that? Which trend is this? First thing, I didn't say that only cation can be isoelectronic or only anion can be isoelectronic. Then this is not the trend for size. Okay, opposite you are saying. But if they are isoelectronic, we have to follow electron by proton ratio. This is the neutral atom. Third period, second period. ये होना चाहिए इसका. Rebecca, Edric, Deepika, Asmita, all of you understood this? They were isoelectronic. तो इसको आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक से हमने सॉल्व किया. आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक, aluminium is from third period, so it becomes better. Okay, let's solve some question with electronic configuration. Okay. So these are the questions. First one is D. Smallest one was asked. Lithium, boron, oxygen, fluorine. Very good. Second one is beryllium, sodium, neon, and सेम लिख दिया मैंने. नहीं, ये नियॉन है और ये सल्फर. So beryllium. Very good. फिर लार्जेस्ट में लिथियम, फ्लोरीन, नाइट्रोजन, नियॉन. तो नियॉन हो जाएगा. इसके अंदर बोरॉन, नियॉन, सोडियम, सल्फर. तो सोडियम हो जाएगा. Now you can ask. Any problem to anyone in this? Hello. 97. Any problem to anyone in this? Any of the question? All of you, Sejal, Ria, Swapnali, Manoj, मंजिता, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? याद नहीं कर सकते इसको, ध्यान रखना है. यू कैन नॉट रिमेंबर दीज क्वेश्चंस, you have to solve them only. Edric, okay, write down exceptions. In 13th group, boron, aluminium is greater than gallium. Indium and thallium are almost same. 14th group, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, almost equal to lead. And what is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it? Due to poor shielding by D and F सबशेल. ठीक है, ये ट्रेंड हमें याद रखना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इट इज एन इरेगुलर ट्रेंड. Because it is an irregular trend, so we have to remember this only. Irregular trend है इसलिए याद रखना पड़ेगा डायरेक्ट. Any problem to anyone in this? In D block elements, in D block elements, 3D has lesser size than 4D, and 4D and 5D have same size. It is due to poor screening and shielding by D and screening of Attilo, otherwise you'll get confused. Due to poor shielding by D and F subshell, called lanthanoid contraction. Lanthanoid contraction. Understood? This trend is not followed for first elements because F block elements starts after first elements. So scandium is smaller than yttrium is smaller than lanthanum. This is regular. Increases down the group. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? These things should be very much clear to you. Then only we can deal with kinetic, this electronegativity, ionization enthalpy. तभी पढ़ पाएंगे जब ये अच्छे से आता होगा. Otherwise it won't be possible. Among 3D elements, irregular trend. First, decreases from left to right. Decreases from left to right. Then becomes same and then increases. Here electron repulsion dominates. Here effective nuclear charge dominates. और इधर क्या हो जाएगा? काउंटर बैलेंस. इधर दोनों एक दूसरे को काउंटर बैलेंस कर देंगे. Hence they have almost same size. Any doubt to anyone in size? पूरा साइज पढ़ लिया हमने. You have to read it again and you have to remember it. पढ़ना भी है, याद भी रखना है with reasons. Third and fourth chapters are very much important. Scandium will be bigger. It's something like this. If you remember D block, it was something like this. Understood? I could show the previous slide again. No. ओके, तो पढ़ते हैं हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी। हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी, हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी क्या है? एनीवन नो? The amount of energy released when an ion is surrounded by water molecule. Amount of energy released when an ion is surrounded by water molecule. It can be for cation, it can be for anion. Water molecules can come in both the ways. Because of these interactions, whatever the energy released is called hydration energy. It can be for cation, can be for anion. Copy it fast. Hydration energy depends upon the size of cation and on charge of cation. ओके, तो ये किस पर डिपेंड करता है? साइज पर और चार्ज पर. Size should be small and charge should be high. Understood? Which will have maximum hydration energy. Maximum hydration energy maximum hydration energy, the smallest one. Please put it at iron. All of you, please give answers for this. Size should be small, charge should be high. Right? Any doubt in this? After hydration, size becomes hydrated radii. हाइड्रेशन होने के बाद size should be small and charge should be high for maximum hydration. Yes, Manhaj, that will be the case. After hydration, size becomes hydrated radii. Hydrated radii is directly proportional to hydration energy, inversely proportional to charge by size. Copy it fast. More the hydration, more will be the hydrated radii. More the hydration, more will be the hydrated radii. More the hydration, more will be the hydrated radii. More the hydration, more will be the hydrated radii. A cation will have higher. Why? On the basis of size. You can say that. Among anions, we have to see. Among cations, we have to see. If we see cation and anion, the cation will be higher, obviously. Ionic mobility. Movement of ions present in solution in presence of electric field. In presence of electric field. Movement of ions present in solution in presence of electric field is called ionic mobility. Ionic mobility is inversely proportional to hydrated radii. Hydrated radii. Ionic mobility is inversely proportional to hydrated radii. Okay. Ionic mobility is inversely proportional to hydrated radii. He holds the ion together, whereas ion. So that means hydration energy holds the ion together. No, hydration energy is the energy released when ions get surrounded by water molecule. Now ion that ion which has been surrounded by water molecule, you want it to move. You want it to move. It won't be able to move because of its high size. It won't be able to move because of its high size. And if it has low size, it can easily move. Completely two different things you are comparing. Hydration energy, not the holds the ion together. It is just the attraction towards the water molecule. It attracts the water molecule towards itself, and that interaction energy is released. And ionic mobility is the movement of those ions for conduction purpose. Okay, Pratyusha. So ionic mobility is inversely proportional to hydrated radii. That means Cs plus will be greater than K plus will be greater than Li plus. Right? H plus and OH minus shows exceptional behavior, exceptional behavior, and have maximum ionic mobility. ये दोनों एक्सेप्शनल बिहेवियर शो करते हैं and they have maximum ionic mobility. Otherwise, H positive ion is very smaller. If it is very small, then it should have high hydration and low ionic mobility. But इसके पास maximum ionic mobility है. That is its exceptional behavior, explained by Groth's mechanism, but not required. Understood? ठीक है, कुछ और देखते हैं. Ionization energy. What do you mean by ionization energy? Amount of energy is the ionization energy is the amount of energy required to remove an electron from an isolated gaseous atom. Gaseous atom. मतलब if we have lithium in solid state and we are providing 50 kilojoule of energy to remove an electron, will it be ionization energy? Will it be ionization energy? Tell me, first one. Will it be ionization energy? No. क्यों? क्योंकि ये solid state है. Will second be ionization energy? Will second be ionization energy? No. क्योंकि ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. क्योंकि ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. हमें तो एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना है. रिमूव एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. एन का मतलब एक. ओके, अगर मैं इसको ऐसे कर दूं, विल इट बी आयनेशन एनर्जी? इसको मैं लिख देता हूं 200 जूल. विल इट बी आयनेशन एनर्जी? नो, क्योंकि ये मॉलिक्यूल है, हमें एटम से निकालना है. We have to remove an electron from an atom. We have to remove an electron from a gaseous atom. एटम से निकालना है, मॉलिक्यूल से नहीं निकालना है. We want atom. ठीक है, मतलब ये भी गलत हो गया. अंडरस्टूड. बताओ, ये आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी होगी. यस, ये हो जाएगी आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी. Understood. Should I say it is an endothermic process? Should I say it is an endothermic process? Always. ठीक है, ऑलवेज है कि नहीं है हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखेंगे. अभी इतना ही करते हैं. Whether it is always or not, that we'll see in the next class. As of now, we are doing this much only. Please go through this again.